my name is Sandy Perez and I'm a chef instructor at San Ignacio College. Today we're going to be making fried cheese ravioli. To make the pasta for the ravioli, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs. In your flour, make a well in the middle, crack your eggs into the middle, knead it together slowly until it forms a nice ball. You could also add a little bit of water if you need, or some olive oil to make it stick together. Form it in a ball, put it to the side and let it rest for 25 minutes. To make the filling, we have mascarpone cheese, burrata mozzarella. We also have some ricotta cheese. We have some dried basil, dried oregano, and you can also add some parsley if you'd like. Mix that all together. When you're ready to make your raviolis, you're gonna take your eggs, beat them, another 2 eggs, beat them together along with your breadcrumbs and a little bit of flour for dusting. You're gonna take your finished ravioli, dust it in the flour, then in the egg, and then in the breadcrumbs, and leave them to the side until you're ready to fry them up. 375 for at least 7 to 12 minutes, depending on the temperature of your oil.